preference. So how are all you? Finance actually why this is so important for us in everyday life. English consists of the same word, and it is not a word only. It consists of the library of the dictionaries of the word, which can't even read, or you will read and read, you will not get out the word. And English is now time very important for us as it comes everywhere, job opportunities and everywhere for the students. It is very important to provide because nowadays. Nowadays, it is the English. What is happening in India? India is a very poor country. It is a very diverse, but most of the people support Hindi as a upper language. But most of are applying English to their language as in the interviews and jobs or any teacher profession. If you want to make your any profession, so you need to speak English to the know about yourself only. And in the India, you can see that the man or you can ask from anyone that introduction. They can't be that the problem. They are India is a poor country and it is backward in the education from the other countries as everyone does not want to learn anything. And English is the subject that we should learn, and we will not get it until if we don't practice it. English, English is a subject or a if we try practicing and practicing again, we will not get it, and English make us perfect. Or many things English can do with you, your pronunciation and your vocabulary. In the vocabulary, you can see English is very important. And from the nowadays, as you can see everywhere, a lot of work is not done without English language. As in, I have said the example of job opportunities. If you go to you have to give interview, and there is you need English language, and one of the most of the reasons that why everyone should not want to learn English, that English are the words that people fear about it when they are, but if trying practicing, I don't know also how to speak English, but my teacher, who is Vikas, and he expressed me and lot of done hard work on me, so I speak English well only now, and I'm practicing a lot of how to make it expert as my everything. Thank you.